Hey, how you doing? This is how to get started with ClickFunnels, guys. So what I want to do is take you through a quick startup. So if you're brand new to ClickFunnels or if you're thinking about getting ClickFunnels, this is just how to get started right out of the gate. Pretty straightforward, guys. So when you log into your dashboard, what you're going to see here is it's going to have all your contacts, how many contacts you have, how many visitors, pages, funnels that you have built. And on the right hand side is going to be any revenue or anything like that if you're selling products or services. So it's really great because off the bat, it gives you a quick snapshot here of what you have going on. So especially for people who are selling products, who are selling services, maybe you're selling a digital product, it's going to tell you real-time stats here, which is great. And it's also going to show you over here your opt-ins. So you're going to get your opt-in rate, and then you're going to get your total page views. So it's really great for analytics and stats. And then over here on the left-hand side, guys, this is for affiliate marketing. I just started dabbling with this. It's actually a lot of fun. I've been using ClickFunnels for a little over a year, and I just started now kind of promoting it because I do absolutely love this tool. So when you click on the affiliate dashboard here, if it comes up, there it is. It's just going to show you, any affiliate sales you might have made. Like I've for the past month here, $237, not bad. And then all the different programs and things you can promote. I mean, besides ClickFunnels, you have tons of great training, books. Also have Funnel Scripts, which is the copywriting software, which is fantastic. So that's just a quick run through there, guys. But out of the gate, let's say you're brand new, you're just getting started, you need to build a funnel. So what you would do is click on the ClickFunnels tab here, scroll down, click Build a Funnel. Right? Pretty easy. All right. So it's going to tell you right away if you want to collect emails, do you want to sell a product, or do you want to host a webinar. In this case, I'm just going to collect emails because I'm just doing lead generation. So we'll call this lead test. And then you'd click Build a Funnel. Sorry, guys, if the internet is slow. I'm at a working space here, co-working space in Chicago, so you never know how the internet's going to work out. But anyways, so under here, you'll see that it automatically populates your opt-in and your thank you page. So if you've ever filled out information online in exchange for something free, like an ebook or a coupon or anything like that, typically you have the opt-in and then you have the thank you page. So what's wonderful about this is ClickFunnels automatically populates it for you. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do any coding. So simply I can go through these pre-built templates. Some are mine that I've saved, but you can see here, you can adapt it. Any of these can be changed, modified, but you can get a good idea of something close to your business, or maybe something close to if you're doing funnels for a client. You get a kind of a good idea here of what's going on. Like, are you looking for, say, a button that's going to pop up to emails, or do you want them to automatically fill in their email? Do you want to do video? All different kinds of cool stuff. So I like to go with just a pretty straightforward one. I'm going to go with this one here. So this is the funnel. What's this one called? And there's hundreds of these guys. And you can also get ones that are you can pay for them too if you really want to. You don't need to, but there are people who build them for you, and they have a marketplace here where you can get pre-built funnels, which is kind of cool. But for just collecting leads and stuff, you just need a straightforward one. So this is a great way to go about it, especially if you're on the trial right now, just to kind of get your fingers wet. So you can see up here, all this can be edited. So what you have here is in the green, you have a section. So that's like the one complete section. You can see here, that's the second section. And within the section, I have these rows in blue. All right. So section and rows. And within each row, I have an element. So the elements I can change up here, and I can put in headlines, subheadlines, bullet points, paragraphs, images, videos, you name it. So your elements are kind of like your creative almost. Okay. So I can go in here. This is an element. This is an image. If I want to change that out, I would simply click here and then choose the image that I want to add, right? I put in my logo. So if here's a logo for a client or something I'm doing, let's just say here's a dentist. I just double tap, boom, there it is. So I'd make it adjust to theirs. And the same thing with this image. If I didn't want this image of this guy, boom, I'd click and do something different. Now, all I would do is here, like I could get a funnel for a client going here in just minutes, welcome, to Bob's gym. And then I could do all my tiny details here, change this, boom, it's all ready to go. This is cool here. These are just quick, bullet points, bonuses. You can use this. Another thing to keep in mind is when you're using these pre-built funnels, they're pre-built for a reason because they work. So I don't recommend delete. You can obviously delete and change anything you want, but I recommend staying with the flow of this. You can change the colors and everything, but stay with the flow of where things are, right? So I'd keep my headline over here. I'd keep my image here, right? I keep my text here, and I'd add in my bonuses or things like that, or, hot topics or info, benefits, things like that. I'd keep all these buttons the same. The only thing I would change would be my language. Okay, because these are there for a reason. They work. You can certainly change them, but I like to stick with it. And here's where they'd enter their email, and then boom, you'd send them whatever their free gift is. Now, adding your email, your autoresponder is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You would just go up to settings, go to integrations, and then here is where you'd select your autoresponder, right? And then here's where you would select the action. You want to add them to a list. What do you want to do? And then once you do that, what's really cool is you can select the list, and you can also do list with a tag. So depending on the campaign you're running, you can separate them. So I use ActiveCampaign. On the back end, you just add it with your API address. Super, super easy. But any autoresponder works. Okay. And what's cool about that is you can send the email directly to, if you have a client, directly to them, or it can go directly to your email automation and enter into an email sequence. So it's absolutely brilliant. Okay. And then real quickly, let me show you this. Here's the thank you page. Here's the thank you page. And then what's super cool about this, boom, I go to opt-ins, I go to thank yous. And then I would just look for, a thank you that's similar. I have a lot of pre-built thank yous, but you can see here there's all different types of thank you pages because you can also do upsells on the thank yous. This is a very basic 2-step funnel. I mean, you can get very, very detailed with this, but I might do something like this, where I would just simply say, thanks for your order. But what's cool to point out here is, let's say you're giving them something digital, like an ebook, a PDF, or a coupon. You can actually add in here, I could go to set action. I could put a link to wherever I want to send them. Maybe it's a blog article or a video on YouTube. Because when you think about a lead magnet, it can be anything. It can be a link to a video. It can be a link to whatever. You don't have to actually create it. And then, of course, I have a way to actually add a digital asset and have them download it. Okay. So leave. So let me just show you something here. So let's take a look at this live. So look at it. It's already live. I mean, I can go in and change the... Oh, I'm still in the thank you one. All right. Come on. Okay, here we go. So it's already live, right? It's ready to go. So let's take a look here. I'm putting in my email. It's going to take me right to the thank you. Boom, it's already populated. I don't have to do anything, guys. Now, if I want to change that domain, it's just simply as going into my settings and choosing one of my domains I've already added in there. Okay, that's it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you liked it, please thumb up, thumbs down, whatever you think. Also, below, I have some free training for you guys on ClickFunnels, how to use ClickFunnels and how to get started. So click on that, and any questions, comments, join my Facebook group. I'll put it in below. Happy to help you out. Take care.